Vivo launched its new Y series phone in China called Vivo Y37 Pro, with 5G support. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y37 Pro features a tall 6.68-inch HD+ display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 613 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. In terms of optics, the Vivo Y37 Pro sports a dual-camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 44 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on Origin OS 4 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 199 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y37 Pro has been priced in China at 1,799 Chinese yuan, and it is now available for purchase in the country in dark gray, lime green, and apricot color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y37 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.